Welcome to English Practice Every Day. Synonyms can be tricky. You might understand their meanings but still struggle to use them in the right context. In this video, we'll explore how to use these 18 synonyms for the word different as adjectives in their proper contexts. We will practice them with simple example sentences that reflect everyday situations. Let's start. Please speak out loud with me as we practice. Different. In a proper context, different is the general word for things that are not the same. Different is the general word for things that are not the same. Let's try a different approach. Let's try a different approach. They live in different cities now. They live in different cities now. She wore a different outfit today. She wore a different outfit today. We come from different backgrounds. We come from different backgrounds. The two designs are completely different. The two designs are completely different. Distinct. In a proper context, distinct means clearly separate or different, often emphasizing clarity or uniqueness. Distinct means clearly separate or different, often emphasizing clarity or uniqueness. The regions are culturally distinct. The regions are culturally distinct. The twins have distinct personalities. The twins have distinct personalities. The book has a distinct style of writing. The book has a distinct style of writing. The two species have distinct markings. The two species have distinct markings. His voice is distinct and easy to recognize. His voice is distinct and easy to recognize. Dissimilar. In a proper context, dissimilar means not alike in character or appearance or having notable differences. Dissimilar means not alike in character or appearance or having notable differences. Their opinions are dissimilar. Their opinions are dissimilar. The two options are dissimilar in cost. The two options are dissimilar in cost. These fabrics are dissimilar in texture. These fabrics are dissimilar in texture. Her goals are dissimilar to her brother's. Her goals are dissimilar to her brother's. Their writing styles are completely dissimilar. Their writing styles are completely dissimilar. Unlike. In a proper context, unlike is used to highlight a clear contrast or lack of similarity. Unlike is used to highlight a clear contrast or lack of similarity. Unlike her sister, Mia is quiet. Unlike her sister, Mia is quiet. Unlike yesterday, today is sunny. Unlike yesterday, today is sunny. Unlike most dogs, mine hates water. Unlike most dogs, mine hates water. Her style is unlike anything I've seen. Her style is unlike anything I've seen. Unlike others, he always arrives early. Unlike others, he always arrives early. Unalike. In a proper context, unalike is similar to unlike or dissimilar but more literary or formal. Unalike is similar to unlike or dissimilar but more literary or formal. The objects are unalike in function. The objects are unalike in function. The brothers are surprisingly unalike. The brothers are surprisingly unalike. Twins can still be unalike in many ways. Twins can still be unalike in many ways. The samples were unalike in color and texture. The samples were unalike in color and texture. The houses look unalike despite being built together. The houses look unalike despite being built together. Separate. In a proper context, Separate means existing or treated as individual or distinct. Separate means existing or treated as individual or distinct. We stayed in separate rooms. We stayed in separate rooms. They filed separate tax returns. They filed separate tax returns. The twins have separate interests. The twins have separate interests. I keep work and personal life separate. I keep work and personal life separate. Keep the ingredients in separate bowls. Keep the ingredients in separate bowls. Diverse. In a proper context, diverse means showing a great variety or differences. Diverse means showing a great variety or differences. She enjoys diverse hobbies. She enjoys diverse hobbies. We listen to diverse opinions. We listen to diverse opinions. The group was culturally diverse. The group was culturally diverse. His music tastes are very diverse. His music tastes are very diverse. The festival attracts a diverse audience. The festival attracts a diverse audience. Varied. In a proper context, varied means consisting of different types or showing variation. Varied means consisting of different types or showing variations. The dishes have varied flavors. The dishes have varied flavors. The museum has a varied collection. The museum has a varied collection. The course offers a varied curriculum. The course offers a varied curriculum. We had a varied experience on our trip. We had a varied experience on our trip. The store offers a varied selection of products. The store offers a varied selection of products. Various. In a proper context, various means several different types or kinds. Various means several different types or kinds. They visited various cities. They visited various cities. He tried various approaches. He tried various approaches. We discussed various solutions. We discussed various solutions. There are various reasons for the delay. There are various reasons for the delay. The product is available in various colors. The product is available in various colors. Contrasting. In a proper context, contrasting means noticeably different when compared side by side. Contrasting means noticeably different when compared side by side. The painting uses contrasting colors. The painting uses contrasting colors. The film presents contrasting themes. The film presents contrasting themes. The book offers contrasting viewpoints. The book offers contrasting viewpoints. They come from contrasting backgrounds. They come from contrasting backgrounds. The seasons have contrasting weather patterns. The seasons have contrasting weather patterns. Disparate. In a proper context, disparate means essentially different in kind or incompatible. Disparate means essentially different in kind or incompatible. They come from disparate fields. They come from disparate fields. The cultures are disparate yet fascinating. The cultures are disparate yet fascinating. The book brings together disparate topics. The book brings together disparate topics. The company merged disparate departments. The company merged disparate departments. The two theories are disparate and hard to combine. The two theories are disparate and hard to combine. Divergent. In a proper context, divergent means moving or developing in different directions. Divergent means moving or developing in different directions. The two theories are divergent. The two theories are divergent. The study showed divergent results. The study showed divergent results. Our paths became increasingly divergent. Our paths became increasingly divergent. The siblings had divergent interests growing up. The siblings had divergent interests growing up. His thinking is often divergent from the mainstream. His thinking is often divergent from the mainstream. Alternative. In a proper context, alternative means different from the usual or traditional option. Alternative means different from the usual or traditional option. She prefers alternative medicine. She prefers alternative medicine. Let's consider alternative solutions. Let's consider alternative solutions. They looked into alternative therapies. They looked into alternative therapies. We took an alternative route to avoid traffic. We took an alternative route to avoid traffic. The school offers alternative learning methods. The school offers alternative learning methods. Unusual. In a proper context, unusual means not common or expected. Unusual means not common or expected. Dad gave an unusual response. Dad gave an unusual response. It's unusual to see snow in April. It's unusual to see snow in April. The results were highly unusual. The results were highly unusual. She has an unusual taste in music. She has an unusual taste in music. That's an unusual way to solve the problem. That's an unusual way to solve the problem. Unfamiliar. In a proper context, unfamiliar means not known or recognized. Unfamiliar means not known or recognized. The topic felt unfamiliar to me. The topic felt unfamiliar to me. I'm unfamiliar with that system. I'm unfamiliar with that system. She used unfamiliar vocabulary. She used unfamiliar vocabulary. They were in an unfamiliar place. They were in an unfamiliar place. The topic was unfamiliar to most students. The topic was unfamiliar to most students. Unique. In a proper context, unique means one of a kind or unlike anything else. Unique means one of a kind or unlike anything else. Her artwork is truly unique. Her artwork is truly unique. He has a unique sense of humor. He has a unique sense of humor. This is a unique opportunity to learn. This is a unique opportunity to learn. Each snowflake has a unique pattern. Each snowflake has a unique pattern. The town's charm is unique to the region. The town's charm is unique to the region. Unconventional. In a proper context, unconventional means not following traditional methods or styles. Unconventional means not following traditional methods or styles. She has an unconventional lifestyle. She has an unconventional lifestyle. He offered an unconventional solution. He offered an unconventional solution. The film has an unconventional structure. The film has an unconventional structure. Their teaching methods are unconventional. Their teaching methods are unconventional. He took an unconventional route to success. He took an unconventional route to success. Offbeat. In a proper context, offbeat means quirky or unusual in a creative way. Offbeat means quirky or unusual in a creative way. That's an offbeat idea. That's an offbeat idea. He has an offbeat personality. He has an offbeat personality. The show has an offbeat style. The show has an offbeat style. I live in an offbeat neighborhood. I live in an offbeat neighborhood. Her fashion sense is very offbeat. Her fashion sense is very offbeat. Peculiar. In a proper context, peculiar means odd or strange in a noticeable way. Peculiar means odd or strange in a noticeable way. The house has a peculiar smell. The house has a peculiar smell. The plant is peculiar to this island. The plant is peculiar to this island. She has a peculiar way of laughing. She has a peculiar way of laughing. His accent is peculiar to that region. His accent is peculiar to that region. The book's humor is peculiar to its author. The book's humor is peculiar to its author. I hope the contextual use of all these synonyms is clear to you. That's all for this synonyms in context practice session. Please try to use these synonyms in their proper context in your speaking over the next few days to enhance your understanding of them. Bye for now.